let's check out the Ratio keto-friendly yogurt. And I found this at my local Costco, and it comes in a pack of 8 in 2 flavors. One is strawberry and one is vanilla. So let's go. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, nutritious, and low-carb food. Please like and subscribe, and I'll bring you new videos every week. So it's Ratio Keto, keto-friendly. 8 cups, 4 strawberry, 4 vanilla, 15 grams of fats, 2 grams of carbs, 15 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar. Oh, that's as best as I've seen in any kind of yogurt. So you can look at the calories here, 200 calories per cup or container. Surprised that the strawberry and the vanilla are the same, but I guess if you look at the ingredients, it's just pasteurized, ultra-filtered, non-fat milk. So it's non-fat milk yogurt. Pasteurized milk, milk fat, avocado oil, interesting. Natural flavor, salt, beet juice concentrate for the color on the strawberries. So they're using beet juice concentrate and not red food color. Interesting. And then you have sucralose is the artificial sweetener, and then the cultures for yogurt. Let's give it a shot. Oh, I guess it comes looking pretty easy. All right, so we've got, this is the strawberry yogurt. And here's the vanilla yogurt. Let's go vanilla. So again, single cup serving, how many ounces? 5.3 ounces, so 50 grams. It looks like about the same size as a regular cup of yogurt. Let me know, is this a smaller one than usual? All right, give it a go. Okay, so there's a little bit of a liquid up top, but that's okay. I've seen that in other yogurts. Since it's vanilla, just plain yogurt. That's good. Really strong vanilla flavor. It's very sweet, actually. I think the sucralose is quite sweet. This is actually really good. I mean, it almost tastes like honey. I mean, it's very smooth consistency, almost like a Greek yogurt. It's a little bit stiffer than, it's not a creamy, non-Greek yogurt. But yeah, there's a sweetness to it from that sucralose. So, I mean, let me know in the comments below if that's a good sweetener for yogurt. But it is quite sweet, almost to the point of honey. All right, let's try the strawberry version. Strawberry. And I'm quite interested that they use beet juice for the red food coloring. Let's give this one a go. It's actually not very red, that food coloring. It's a very, very slight pink color. Let's give it a taste. It's interesting, it doesn't taste like a normal strawberry yogurt. The firmness of the yogurt is very similar to like a Greek yogurt. It's a thicker, firmer yogurt. I will say, compared to regular strawberry yogurt, usually there's a very powerful strawberry flavor. This is a hint of strawberry, kind of like what you would get from like a hint water, that kind of flavoring to the strawberry. And somehow it seems like it's not as sweet as the vanilla. Just double check. There is not fruit on the bottom, so it's not a strawberry puree or anything like that. So the vanilla actually ends up being sweeter, or tastes sweeter. I think given the hint of pairing of vanilla and the sucralose. I think with this, I don't know if it's, you know, the beet juice maybe detracts from the flavor, or there's just a lack of that combination of vanilla and sucralose. Yeah, if you look at the ingredients, there is no vanilla in this one. So I think if they add a little vanilla in that one, it would taste a little better, a little sweeter. There you have it. I mean, at least a couple keto-friendly options for yogurt. I mean, yogurt naturally has sugars, obviously, because of the lactose in the milk. But as a low-carb, very low-carb version, only 2 grams of net carbs per serving, this is a pretty decent option to go. And it's pretty budget-friendly and easily found at your local Costco. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.